right, Gracie and I are here for another nature walk with Gracie. This time we are at Wakpicada Natural Area. We're going to go on a geocaching hike. Actually, it's a little chilly today, so we're not going to do the whole trail, but we are going to go find a geocache. So for those of you who don't know what it is, go ahead, look it up online. You can download the app. We are going to be looking for LCC 50th, Wakpicada number 2, I believe is the name of what the geocache we're going to go find. So let's go see if we can find it. Trailhead, you can tell it's marked by this large red gate, so we're going to get started. As you can see, Wakpicada is a really swampy area, but it's a really cool hike. Come on, Gracie. Gracie and I are here at the bridge, and we are going to go ahead and look for the geocache. Remember, you can keep on going down the trail. It's really awesome, but we are going to stop here for today because it's a little bit chilly, so we're going to see if we can find the geocache. All right, we have found the geocache. I'm not going to show you the location because it needs to be a scavenger hunt. So once you get here, you're going to have to look for it. Right, Gracie? Yeah, they got to find it themselves. So, rules of geocache. Basically, inside there's going to be a log to sign your names on. And then this one actually is a pretty big geocache, so you can take something and leave something. So, let's go ahead and see what's inside this geocache. Actually, I'm not going to show you because then it's a mystery, but there is a name log here. You can see. Let's try to find the last people who were here. Let's see, 2016, 2015. Wow, this paper has been in here for a super long time. Looks like the last people were here on August 10th, 2019. Aaron, Zach, Clint, Curtis. Can't read the last name. So shout out to them. We're going to add our names to this list. And now we're going to leave something in the geocache. It is waterproof, which is very convenient. We're actually going to leave a $5 bill in here, so whoever comes and finds it first gets this $5 bill. So we're just going to tuck that in there. Just going to close it up. Another rule of geocaches is that you always put them back where you found them. So we're going to put this right back where we found it, and then we're going to finish our hike. Right, Gracie? Right, she likes geocaching. All right, the geocache is safely back in its hiding spot, waiting for all you to come find it. Gracie hit it well. come to an end of another nature walk with Gracie. We had a great time here at Wakpicada Natural Area. A couple things about this trail for those of you who are going to come hike it. It isn't a loop, it is a one-way, so make sure you keep that in mind for your time. Keep on driving until you find the red gate. That's the beginning. Sorry, it's kind of windy here. And it is horse friendly for those of you who have horses and want to come and do some horseback riding. So we're gonna say goodbye. Say goodbye to everyone. Oh yeah, there you go. Say goodbye. See you next time on Nature Walks with Gracie.